Gots the milk? He does. Here comes the milkman. 1959 Divco. Harlot Premium, grade A ice cream. Look at this thing. Pretty cool. That's cool. Milkman. Original motor. It's a Hercules. See? Hercules. I would never known that. Pretty cool. Somebody spent a lot of time working on this. Phone number. Claudette, get your milk. Oh, look at that. Even got the classic milk bottles on the inside. Interior's all nice and done. Diamond pink floor. Milk Milk.